some point prior to its sale, the painting stood adorning upon a rack. Now the termites are biting on the nails, and the colors they aren't fighting back. Down the chimneys the roaches they would scale, with their short flights imitating its collapse. For $1 I'll waggle all your tails, just a pound of meat in my sack. Door to another, slammed the door on a brother. Brown birds, cloudy weather, chirping ignorance of another. Circle the garden, no one to see, silent deity in the tree. Circle the garden, no one to see. They stole from the poor a will to hold the stars in place. My tongue pokes the sky, the horizon endless escape, and I scratched it on a cupboard for those after me to see. A boy of 12 once rose from there, in sickness found reverie, in sickness found reverie.